Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make aloo chana chaat. It's a vegan Pakistan and Indian snack made from potatoes and chickpeas. The ingredients used in this recipe are super simple, but the flavor is such that it will make you finish the bowl in minutes. So let's start making it. For tamarind pulp, soak the tamarind in hot water for about 15 to 12 minutes till soft. Mash the pulp with spoon. Strain the tamarind pulp. Tamarind pulp is ready to use. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Now stir all these ingredients and mix well. Now I'll add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Now I'll cut the boiled potatoes into cube size and add them to it. One large tomato should also be cut into small pieces and put in it. Finally slice the one red onion and add to it. If you don't have one the ingredient, just skip or substitute for something else. 2 or according to your taste, add finely chopped green chilies to it. Roughly chop the mint and add to it. At the end, I'll add 1 cup of sweet yogurt and mix all these things. That's all there is to make this delicious aloo chana chaat. Now garnish with sweet yogurt, papdi, slices of red onion, green chilies, tomatoes and mint leaves. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next time. Until then, Allah Hafiz.